Amazon Ring is turning your front door into a high-tech spy zone, and not everyone is thrilled. Hey Gad Insiders, welcome to your hub of latest tech news. Amazon's new AI-powered familiar faces feature can now recognize friends, family, and even delivery people labeling them by name on your phone, but privacy experts warn it could be a surveillance nightmare. Here's the deal, you can create a list of up to 50 people, and when they approach your door, Ring tells you exactly who it is. Sounds handy, right? But critics point out that anyone who walks past your camera, even without knowing it, could have their face stored on Amazon servers. With Ring's history of working with law enforcement and past security issues, experts say this opens a door to serious privacy risks. Some states like Illinois, Texas, and Oregon have even blocked the feature due to strict biometric privacy laws. Not all of Ring's AI updates are scary though. Video description summarizes motion activity, like a person is walking a black dog without tracking identities. And the new greetings feature lets Alexa interact with visitors, guiding delivery people, or taking messages, all without storing personal info. Ring's AI can be convenient, but familiar faces blurs the line between smart security and home surveillance. If you use it, avoid full names and delete faces you no longer need, or just stick to checking live video yourself. Just because AI can do something doesn't mean it always should. For more updates like this video, comment and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.